Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Damo, and on today's pedal out video we're back with the Peugeot 205 GTI, and we're going to go over the Milltek exhaust and listen to it, and it's going to be a pure sound video. So get your headphones in, turn the volume up and enjoy. Okay, so I have tried doing a sound video before, but it's been a bit tricky trying to get decent mics and to reflect the audio. I don't have the best equipment. Anyway, so I've got a GoPro here. I've got the little poppy out windows, which I love so much, popped out with a little GoPro in there. I have tried to do this with external mics, but it just got a bit jittery. It just wasn't very good. So external GoPro over the exhaust here, one inside, and hopefully we'll start it up and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are in the 205 having a little drive, testing out the sound. It's a Milltek Sport exhaust. They're a British firm. It was on the car when we got it, and apparently to get the emissions right for the MOT, it was also Krypton tuned, whatever that means. I can't find really much about it. If you do know, write in the comments. But it has also been to plug one off. We did another video on our journey to plug one off, and we're going to go through what was done there to make this car better, etc. Anyway, the Milltek exhaust on a standard, which has been fesseled by plug one off, so we're just going to go over and see what the audio sounds like of this exhaust. It really comes to life. We've actually been driving the Mark III Mazda MX-5 2 litre, which is all BAU standard factory, and the difference in the experience and the noise is just noticeable, and being in this, it sounds so much better. I love the second gear howl, if you can hear this. Oh, so good. Okay, we're back. I hope you enjoyed that little snapshot of the audio of the Milltek sports exhaust on this 1989 Peugeot 205 1.6 GTI. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, write in the comments, tell us what you think, and check out the other videos on the channel. And we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers.